Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to be doing some crafts together, so let's get started. Okay guys, so today we are going to be doing the dream catcher from Dollarama. It is $4. It's for 6 years and up. It says it has a plastic knitting circle. It has 24 sheets, felt sheets. It has 3 felt stickers, 2 yarns, 3 ribbons, 16 beads, 1 stuffing, 2 adhesive half pearls, a metal pin, a thread, and a plastic needle. And the last thing that has is instructions. Yes, instructions are very important because the last projects we did not have instructions and we did a lot of guesswork. So let's get started. Okay, so what we have in here is instructions. Here are the instructions, and then we have a bag with all our goodies in it. So the bag, here is our hoop, here is a felt sticker, another felt sticker, some wool, 2 wool, we have the stuffing. We have 1, 2, 3 ribbon. We have the front of the llama. We have another felt sticker. We have the felt pieces that we will be popping out. We've done that before. Here is the back of the llama. There is a felt piece that has the pieces we have to pop out. Here too, one of them is already popped out, which is okay. So there's that. So we have to pop that out. And then we have some thread, pink thread, which I'm sure we're going to sew the llama together. There's the needle and the beads. So everything that it said on the box is definitely here. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is wrap the hoop. It's pretty straightforward. We have the green yarn. We have our white hoop. I have my crafter's glue from Dollar Tree. It's my favorite one. I'm just going to put a little dab of glue on the hoop itself. Right here. Just a little dab. And I'm going to stick my wool there. So when I start the wrap, it will stay. And all you're going to do is just wrap your hoop in, out, and around. And you're going to keep doing that until you wrap your whole hoop. And as you pull the tension, you can slide it together and make sure that it's as tight as you want. And you're just going to wrap the whole hoop just like that. So you'll pull that down here. You'll put your finger here just to hold it, and you'll wrap it. And then you can pull it down and keep going. Pull your wool through, wrap it. Now you do have an option. Instead of using their wool, if you're a crafter, you could not use the wool and just use some ribbon. If you have ribbon, you can even buy the dollar store ribbon when you buy the kit and wrap it with ribbon instead of wool. I'm going to do everything the same as the kit just so we can see how it looks. Okay, so you'll just hold your finger where you wrapped. You'll put your thread back through and you're just going to wrap it just like that. Now I'm going to fast forward through this because this is pretty simple, easy, and boring to watch. So I am just going to fast forward and we'll get that done. we're here in this felt. So all I'm gonna do is I've got my favorite glue and I'm just gonna glue down the legs. So we're gonna get the glue started. We're just gonna put a dab here and a dab a little bit further from there, just like that, and we're gonna put the felt on. One leg there, one leg there, and the front leg here. Glue it down. And then this leg is a kick up leg, so we're gonna put a little bit on the leg here. And we're gonna place it right about there. Just like that, and we're gonna let those dry, and then we're gonna begin to sew and then stuff. And the top layer is here, and it has the marker. They've already colored it in with marker for the face and the tail and the ear. So we're just gonna place it over like this, and we're gonna use our pink thread and the plastic needle they gave us. This needle right here. And we're just gonna sew along a straight stitch right around, but we're not gonna close it completely because we're gonna use the fibers to stuff it. So right now I'm just waiting for the legs to dry, and then I will start to sew. So now that the legs are glued down, I thread the needle with the thread that they gave us. I'm gonna knot it here at the end. Just like that. Now I'm going to hold up the back, and I'm going to start my needle through the back here, because this is where I'm going to end. So we have our knot right there. We don't want to pull it too tight, but in enough. We're going to grab the top, and we're just going to match it up, and we're just going to do a straight stitch. So here are the holes. So you're just going to poke it through that side and the back side and go down and then back up through this side and this side, just like that. Loop it back through, and there we go there. So now we're going to do it again, up through and through. So it's just a straight stitch. We're going to go all the way around, and we're going to stop at the back leg before we close it. Okay, so we got the head part done with this straight stitch. So what I'm going to do is take some fiber out, and I'm just going to stuff it up by the head. So we're going to open it up, and we're just going to stuff it up in there. And I have the pair of scissors, so I'm just going to use the scissors to push it up in. Just so we could fill the head with the fiber. little bit more. And there we go. And now that is puffed up. That's perfect. And now we're just going to continue on and go around here with the straight stitch until we get to about here. And then we'll stuff the body and then we'll close it. So that's where we're at. Okay, so we stopped here. We're just getting ready to take our fiber and stuff the body in. And I'm pretty sure we only need fiber for this body, so just putting it all in. There we go. And there is our llama. So all I'm going to do is straight stitch it closed and then tie it. So we'll redo our needle. Just like that. And we're going to continue our straight stitch. It's a little tricky when you have your llama stuff, but it's just slow down and you'll get it proper. We are coming to the end. They didn't give us a lot of string near the end, but that's okay. We have enough. And now we're at the end and we're just going to tie it off. And this is how the back looks. Just like that. So now we're just going to tie it off at the end. And you can just knot it any way you want. I'm doing a simple knot. Just like that. I'll cut that in a minute. So there, we're just going to move the fiber along just a little bit, break it up. It's a little bit tight. There. So there is our llama. It is done, it is stuffed, and it is closed. So, and she's super cute. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.